right, looks like a couple people are hopping in here. We're going to be working on something pretty cool today. This is a 1997 silver proof set. Let's just pop this out of here and show this set off for a little bit. What we're going to be working on is this $50. Hello, hello, I'm glad you made it. See that guy that commented right here? Or lady. This person right here ordered this coin ring. So we're going to be working that on them. Whoa. Working on that for them today. I'm a little tongue twisted. I haven't had any coffee. We're all out of coffee. So I'm a little out of whack. But we're going to be getting into this pretty soon. Take a nice look at these coins before we get started. And I do have quite a few of these proof sets from 92 up to 98. If anybody else is interested in getting something like this made, you can tap on my logo and the link is in my profile. It's also my username, coinringmaker.com. So check out the store if that's up your alley. There's some cool stuff on there. Now I have to find what I need to pry this open here. So we'll just zoom out. If you guys wouldn't mind tapping the screen a little bit, we're going to crack this open. Not a lot of people crack these open, but I do. Let's see if we can get to 100 likes. I bet you can do it. I got faith in you. Here we go, 100 likes, fantastic. Look at these beauties. That penny is so clean. This one's got a little bit of like blue toning on it. It's pretty cool. But this is what we're working on. So I'll pop that out of there. And we'll put these back up. Let's see. I got it all backwards. It'll be okay. All right, let's put this up and we'll get to work. If you guys want to see me make a coin ring, go ahead and put ring in the chat. It's going to be a size 11.5, right? That's what I changed it to last night. I will try. I think you'll probably get it before anybody else does. If not, I will have to get some more. I got to get another set of these 97s anyways. So, the first step is to punch a hole in it. So we're going to get our auto punch here. Crack that open. Place our coin inside. And I like to put the side of the coin that's going to be on the outside facing down. This punch doesn't do a whole lot of damage to the coin. It does just a little bit where it punches through, so I like to put the inside of the ring facing up to kind of hide it a little bit. It's not that noticeable. Oh, it's gone, man. There's no saving this. It's in the punch already. Shield your eyes. Look away. Let's see if we can get this on camera. I'm trying not to hit my phone. There we go. A great looking center punch. Really just awesome detail on it. Very nice. We will set that aside for now. $450 likes. Thank you guys very much. This kind of looks like a magic trick. How's it going, man? We're working on a silver proof today. Yeah, I think this is going to make a great ring. It's a good looking coin. Alright, so we'll take a look at it. The punch really didn't damage it at all. This one looks really clean all the way around. This edge right here is a little sharp, so I'm going to deburr the inside of that right now. This is kind of the slow, boring part, so if you guys wouldn't mind tapping the screen until we get through it, we'll start doing some really cool stuff to this here in a minute. Do the other side. A lot of people drilling holes in money. Is that true? So cool. I agree. I think it's pretty neat. I'm not gonna say it's easy, but it's definitely enjoyable when it goes well. Nice and cleaned up inside cut edge there. Now let's get a good look at this, because this is the shiniest it's going to be for a while. So we're going to have to anneal it. It's going to get some fire scale on there. So this is going to soften that silver up. Where is the tool I need? Where it's supposed to be, of course. I was looking for my needle nose pliers, and they are where they go. I was looking all over my desk where I usually leave it. No, they're put away. That's funny. Dry that off real quick. Hop over here. $2,200 likes. Heck yeah. Thank you. Here's how the 90% silver looks after annealing. Man, it's actually in really nice focus. Usually I have a lot of trouble getting my phone to focus, but this looks so crisp. Really cool. Alright, so the next step is to start folding this. I like to use a doming block for the first fold. It just makes sure it's nice and even. And since we want the date on the outside, we're going to put that face down. Put a ball bearing on top, and we've got it on a 1-ton arbor press. I'm just going to push this down in here. Give it a nice little fold all the way to the bottom of that doming block. And now we've got a nice little cone shape. Nice and even all the way around. That's real key when making these rings. You want to make sure everything is folded the same all the way around. Now we're going to go ahead and anneal it again. Because as you work on the metal, it work hardens. So we're just going to soften it back up again. And I lost my pliers. Oh, I need some coffee, guys. There we go. Anybody got any coffee they want to send me? Espresso? Something strong? Need to put more water in that. It's pretty low. Now we're going to hop back over to the 1-ton arbor press. And we're going to push it some more. Or fold it. Gotta find the right die. And what I look for is one that it will sit inside. So that is just right. And use a 17-degree cone. And fold it down. These I like to do nice and slow. Sometimes the coin will slip a little uneven, so I'll re-straighten it. Get in here a little closer for you guys. Nice. That S mint mark on there, it looks awesome. Got In God We Trust across the bottom too. I haven't done a lot of Kennedy half dollars, so this is, I usually do them tail side out because I really like that design. So this looks really cool. Liberty across the top. Look at all that hair. Looks good. Very nice. We got about 600 people in here now. That's pretty cool. If you guys wouldn't mind tapping the screen, I sure would appreciate it. Sending some likes my way. If you want to see some of the stuff I make, maybe order a ring, there is a website link on my profile and a gold chain down here by the chat that'll bring up some of my products. Take a look. What do I do with the leftover circle? So the customer on this one, I believe, let me double check. Yeah, they got a center punch keychain, so this will be made into a keychain for them. You can also get like a hat pin, or you can get just the center punch. You don't have to get any of those. Those are just add-on options when you order a ring. And again, we're just annealing this coin, softening it up. And keeping the metal soft like this has like two really good like outcomes. It stretches more even. So you can see all the way around here. It's pretty much the same distance from this side to this side. If you don't anneal, you start getting thin spots where it kind of dips in because the metal stretches unevenly. And it can also snap. So you'll get like a crack on this cut edge and it will split. And if you anneal it, that's less likely to happen. How much does a ring go for? Copper clad quarter rings are $20, 90%. Silver quarters are $100. This one was $150. So it really depends on what you get. You can see my prices on my website. It's the same as my username, coinringmaker.com. I've got about 50 different types of coin rings that I make, so there's a pretty decent price range. It really depends on what you'd like to get. The next step is to start stretching this out. I appreciate it. Yeah, I really do appreciate you guys ordering from me, supporting my small business. This is like a one-man show here. Made in America jewelry, one of a kind, and usually you get to see it done. So I think it's a pretty good deal. So if we take a look at this ring right now, you can see it's kind of cone shaped. What we're going to do is we're going to stretch this cut edge and try and even it up with this reeded edge, so it'll be more ring shaped. Thank you very much. But before we stretch it, I'm going to file the cut edge, because like I said, that can crack. So the smoother that is, the safer you are from your ring splitting. So I'll actually show you an example of what that looks like. If you haven't yet, go ahead and tap that follow button. I just broke 71,000 followers this morning. It's pretty cool, actually. So this is what a split ring looks like. So this is what we try to avoid. Yeah, I mean, I don't sell anything I wouldn't wear myself. So if you look here, this is a ring I made. And I really like it. So I don't put anything on the store that I don't think, like, looks good. I really try to put up my nicest stuff. And I've been doing this for about 2.5 years. So I've got a decent amount of practice. And I also make them, like, every day. It's kind of my thing. We're going to put this blue automotive paper towel in between our coin and the ring stretcher, so we don't have metal on metal contact. And it's also going to help save the inside details of the ring. I'm trying to go really in depth on like what I'm doing on this video, in case, like, I repost all my videos on YouTube, right? So I figure there's some people out there watching my YouTube